And how about this? A 72 Ford Bronco. We don't see any of these lately, do we? My goodness. Barret-Jackson and Mecum, they're two big sales.
Still hot.
So in Mecum in Kissimmee and Barret-Jackson in Scottsdale, almost over 6,000 cars offered at those two sales collectively. All 2,000 of the ones at Barret-Jackson were no reserve. And there was Bronco after Bronco after Bronco after Scout after Blazer after Bronco after Corvette. Yep. It was crazy. But the Broncos are strong. But this one, this 72 Bronco that we have, black over black, 53,000 actual miles. This is more reasonable than most of the ones you've seen on TV. The price point is much more in line with what you would expect it to be. Yeah. Not 100 plus like you see a lot of these. So 3 owners from new. The original 302 cubic inch V8, known history, 3-speed manual. It's got a fiberglass body, so it's almost like a kit, but not. Yeah. But interesting vehicle.
Watching those auctions, it's amazing how many different Bronco builders there are around the country, all doing like fine work, and we get some of them here, but it's incredible what's coming through the line.
The level of detail and craftsmanship on these cars is second to none. I mean, it's just really spectacular.
I wonder if Ford had an idea that these little runabouts were going to be...
I don't think so, but although they did re-release the Bronco, and now it's become its kind of own subset of Ford, now the Bronco has become a whole... whatever you want to call it, sub-model, if you will.